sometimes when you do this, your tongue gets tied. You lose your sense of where you are, and it gets very nerve-wracking. That's why I move and itch myself all the time. So and I f***ing hate that. So get rid of that too. Hey guys, it's Rookie BBQ again. Doing the weekly cook that I've been doing because it seems like the only times I really got, unfortunately. But this one's super quick. It's super easy. I'm just doing some chicken drumsticks for you guys on the Smokefire. This one's a little bit more of me talking for like you Weber users and smokers and grills and stuff like that. We got a new update. We got an update Wednesday for the Smokefire. It was just a firmware update. If you look at their details and stuff, it's firmware, and it is it just helps grill enhancements for the app. I installed it. I recommend everybody do that with your firmware updates because you don't want to mess around. They're doing this to make it better for all of us, and so I did mine. We'll see. I haven't cooked on it yet. This will be the first cook. I'll let you know if I notice any changes, but beyond that, I wanted to update you on that. The other thing, oh no, girl, are you okay? Sorry, my dog's kind of crying. Like I said, I'm just doing chicken drumsticks, nothing too exciting. You guys all know what's going on in the world right now. It was kind of hard for me to find some meat, and that's not me complaining by any means because I've heard the horror stories and everything. I know some of you guys might be out of work. I'm currently not, just because I'm in the construction industry and we're considered essential. I don't know. I don't really care for that because I don't want to get my family sick. I have an older father. You know, I don't want to get anybody else's father, mother sick or anything, or even the people I live with. But it is what it is. We have to stay there, and that's why I'm cooking the chicken drumsticks. I did find a brisket though. That's going to be on my next video. I'm just lucky enough to be able to purchase this meat. I could do it before, and now with all this crisis, I'm still lucky enough to be able to do that for you guys. And I hope you all are staying safe, washing your hands, doing the quarantine thing. Because we all got to make it out of this, man. It's a little scary, but you came here to have a good time and to learn how to cook something with me. So I'm going to go to the cook now. I'm going to get the meat together. I'll show you what I'm doing, a little bit of seasoning. I'm going to put it on the grill for about an hour, and then we'll show the final product. And just remember, if you like this channel, please like this video, subscribe, comment, good or bad. Sorry for the wind. It's windy here. There's nothing I can do about that. And check out my Instagram too. You guys have been real appreciative of that. I love that. But yeah, let's get to the cook before we blow away. Alright, so we're in the kitchen, guys. Super simple to make drumsticks, man. You just need olive oil. You need a rub that you like. That is one I got at the Fiery Food Show. It's a pecan rub. I've been using a lot of stuff. It's really, really good. I'm going to put butter on halfway through. I'll show you guys that too. But that's the real darling of the show right there. Holy hell, it's called Made by Blondie Beards. We got it at the Fiery Food Show. I cannot wait to put that on and try it. But pretty much, look, this is it, okay? Got 6 drumsticks. I'm going to put some olive oil on them. And then you just rub it in. Because you're using it as a binder. Just to make sure all that stays together, you know? Okay. There. Just so it stays on it. Okay. And then I'm just going to coat it. I'm going to coat these freaking guys all over. Alright. I don't believe that there's anything such as too much rub. I don't believe that. And this smells so good, just the pecan. You just want to coat every single side of it. Super easy. I'm sure you guys have done this at home. Maybe you've done shake and bake. I remember eating shake and bake as a kid. My mom always used to make it. It was pretty good. Okay, coat every side. Oh yeah. There you go. We got them all coated. Super easy. And now we're gonna just put them on a baking rack. And I'll catch you guys out by the grill. Cool. Alright, so we got them on there. Just 6 little drumsticks. We're putting it at 350 in about 30 minutes. I'm gonna coat it with some butter. I'll catch up with you then, but yeah, just 6 little guys. Chillin', chillin', chillin'. See you in a sec. Okay guys, so we're here about 30 minutes in. You're getting that nice crispy red on there. I'm gonna coat them all with melted butter. I won't do all 6 with you, but I just wanted to show you. I'm just gonna coat it with butter. Absolutely make my grill as messy as it can be. They're gonna taste so good, and as you can see, I almost dropped it right there. Make sure to hold on tight with the tongs. I'm gonna let it sit for another 20 and then I'll catch you out here when I coat it. Thank you guys for sticking with me through this wind. All right, so these guys are actually done. They've already reached temp. But now I'm just gonna put this on to kind of glaze it. This is that holy hell sauce I was taking a picture of. I like working with my hands like I told you guys earlier. Super easy. I'm just gonna coat these guys in it. Just pour it in there. Get as much, I like to over sauce it. Get as much sauce as you want. Then we'll leave it on there and glaze it, and I'll show you guys the final product here in a bit when it's done. Alright, we're done. Being a rookie is about learning your grill. These are not burnt, they're a little charred. They're smoked, okay? I like the way they look, but I can see how they don't look as perfect and professional as you'd like. But hey, that's rookie, we're learning, you know? I think I could have taken them off a little sooner. I don't think I need to go the full hour at 350. They're real good though. Well, they look real good for me, but this is something you can do on the weekday instead of doing a 12-hour brisket or a long cook. This took 50 minutes, like I said, 50 to an hour minutes. They're done, they're ready to eat, they're in temp. I'm gonna try it now. Let's see what we can do. They're good. They're really good. Like I said, took 55 minutes to an hour, and we're cherry. Guys, I just wanted to show you this video, quick cook, nothing special, something you can do on the weekdays real quick when you get home from work. Jesus, I must be tired. But I'll conclude it at this. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what else I can do. I was thinking about starting to do some baking on here instead of just meat, some different ideas and stuff like that. But we'll get into that next time. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. See ya.